Good morning, guys. So last week I give you a free software to try, the wordart.com. Today I'm going to give you another free software that you can try for graphic design. So this software, we've used it in my class a few times, but let's take a look at it again. It's called canva.com, canva.com. So to log in, all you have to do is hit the log in with your Google ID. I can't show you that because I'm already logged into the program right now, but there's a button that's at the top of the screen here that should say log in with your Google. So when you click on there, it has this first page, design anything. It has all of these different designs that you can make. You can make Facebook posts, presentations, logos, posters, documents, Facebook covers, resumes. So there are a ton of different ways that you can use this program. I'm going to show you two simple things today. So first, you can make the poster. This is a Facebook quote poster. So you have motivational quote and social graphics. I'll show you what the beginning page looks like here. It's going to have lots of different options of different types of posters that you can make. On the side, and the internet's running slow. So we have these different templates right here. So you can take a look at them and choose one of the templates that you like the most. So I already did this. So I have this poster here, and I just changed the words that were inside of it. So I made it funny: when COVID-19 got you stuck inside, make a beautiful Canva poster. So here you have a text box. You can type whatever you want. So you can change it, and you can write when Corona. So you can say when life gives you lemonade. Well, when life gives you lemons, you can make lemonade, whatever you want to do. So this is just my funny poster. You can click on this here and go up here, and you can change the different fonts that you have available. Now, if it has the crown, you have to pay for it, but if you look, there are a ton of free fonts that you can use. There are so many different options. You click on one, you can try it out. Right here, you have the size of your font, so you can make it bigger or smaller. Probably don't want it that big. Let's see, Control Z. Remember, Control Z is when we want to undo something. Let's bring ours down to 64. You can change the different colors that you want to use here. You can change the orientation and the alignment. You can change the spacing. You can make the letters further apart. Or when you have two lines together, you can make your lines further apart as well. Now, if you don't like this photo in the background, you can click on the photo here, and it has this blue line around it. And then you can come down here and choose another photo. You see here where it has the $sign, you can purchase those images, but we have a lot of images here that are for free. We like free. So you can change the size of your image in the background. And now we talked about contrast in our class. This gray does not have good contrast, so I'm going to go ahead and choose a different color here and give my image some more contrast. There we go. It's still a little bit difficult to see, so maybe I should change the font so we have a font that stands out better than that. There we go. Now we have more contrast in our image. You can also move these around. So if it's not good in that spot, maybe it looks better here, you can move this all around however you want. Now, when you're finished with that, you can download your image. You can either share the link, put it right on your Facebook page. You can download it as a PNG, which is best, or a JPEG. This is a smaller size file. If you want to put it on your Facebook, I suggest going ahead and doing